Hi guys, we are back and it is trade number 5. So last night pound Danish kroner went outside of the envelopes. It went to an extreme price, as you can see on the left hand side there over here, and the actual envelope was down here actually, so getting in there was fantastic. Obviously trying to get up here would be even better. But yeah, we got in there, it went all the way down and it pretty much hit the mean this morning, but unfortunately it was about 5 o'clock and I missed it and I hadn't set up my take profit, which is yeah, a decent learning for me. Need to make sure we set up stop loss and take profit straight away. So unfortunately by the time I'd woken up it was up here, which was about 7:30 this morning, and I'd missed it. So really guys, I probably should have got out here realistically and just taken a smaller profit, but by the time I actually thought about it and had a shower and everything, it already got up here, which is, you know, we're still guys on 10%, sorry, not 10%, 1% at this point here. But obviously we're about 3% growth down at the bottom. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I've set up my next, show you this, my next one above here. You can't see on the 30-minute as well, but there is another buy in here if it does go up any higher. But hopefully now we'll just see this tank down here and come back to where the mean was today, so that we can get out again with a decent profit. So I'll let you know guys how it goes. Quite a few people have actually asked me about why I take my stop loss 200 pips, and I will explain that in the next video and give you some a little bit more detail about the strat and why we do certain things. All right guys, I will catch you when this has come to a completion. Hi guys, and welcome back. We are out of the trade with a fantastic profit again. This one here was £21. It's 2% growth. It's a great profit. And remember, back in a couple of videos I said to you that if you only get in once at a 0.04 leverage, and you get out straight away, i.e. there's no drawdown, you won't make as much as one that has a bigger drawdown, typically speaking. So although it's a great profit of 2%, it's not as big as some of our other ones that we've had with the 7% or the with the pound knock, but at the end of the day it's still a profit. The account's still growing. We're up to now 16.5% on our original amount, which is just fantastic guys. So I will show you that now just to prove this to you. Click on history here and you can see £21 taking into account commission, etc., 19.95. But it's a great trade again. And if you look here, custom period, we started this guys on the 4th. It was only last week. It's not a lot of time, but overall since the 4th we've made £165.70 profit, which is huge. You know, it's 16.5% in a week and a half. If you told that to a massive trading station or a hedge fund manager, if you wanted 16.5% growth in a week and a half, you'd bite your arm off. So you know, this strategy is very good, and every single one's been profitable so far. So guys, all I'm saying is please subscribe, follow this. I'm drip feeding you bits and bobs as we go about the strategy, teaching you little bits here and there, how to set up, you know, how far away to put the next point or next get in point. A couple of people have asked me about why a stop loss is 200 pips. I said I'll go into that in this video, but I'm gonna actually do a separate video on that one. And so yeah, just keep following, keep picking up bits and bobs here and there of the knowledge. Eventually I will also tell you about the getting in points and the getting out points, but for the time being you know, I'm keeping that a little bit of a secret. So I'd love you just to join me on my journey, and we'll see you next trade.